If you drink water, and water has memory, does that mean it now remembers you?
If your stomach growls, is it complaining or communicating?
If you're early to being late, are you actually on time?
If you drop a spoon and it lands upright, should we be worried? If fish don't blink, do they ever get tired of staring?
If you talk to yourself, are you the smartest person in the room or the craziest?
If you run out of breath laughing, is the joke trying to kill you?
If a clock breaks, does time stop for that clock or just give up?
If we can't see air, how do we know the sky isn't invisible water?
If you can't remember your dream, what was it even for?